Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find leads in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you can simply go to the app launcher and then you will need just to go and click on leads. By clicking on leads, you will be able to access to the list of leads and basically you can start creating new one, etc. Or you can simply access them from the navbar. So here, if we can see, there is no leads in my navigation bar. But since they are an object here in Salesforce, you will be able to add them in the navbar. To do so, you will need just to customize your navigation bar. So we click on this icon, and after that, we need just to search for leads. Since they are not in my navigation items, I will need just to add more items. Then I will go to all. By going here, I'm going to search for leads. So let's just wait for this item to load. And basically there's nothing. So let's just search for the leads or lead here like this. Basically we need just to find them here and search for the leads. And it seems that we already have them since they are already here in my navigation bar. So if we go back and go here, we will see that the leads are already exist. So we can, for example, delete whatever you like. As I said, you add item, all, and then search for the leads, and you click on the plus, and you will have them. So now you can access the leads either from navigation bar or the app launcher, and uh, this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.